Hey everyone, this is Chris over at BMW Freeport, and today I'm going to be going over how to set up the drive recorder in the 2021 BMW X7 M50, which can automatically begin recording when the vehicle senses an accident situation. First, scroll down to Apps, Installed Apps, Drive Recorder, Settings, and select Start Setup Assistant. Here, make sure manually and automatically are both checked off. With manually, if you press and hold down the panorama view button, or by using the Drive Recorder app, you can manually begin recording, and with automatically, the vehicle will begin recording if it senses an accident situation. Here you can decide how soon you would like to begin recording before the time of trigger or accident. And here you can decide how long after the accident or trigger you would like to record. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact us over at BMW Freeport, located at 291 West Sunrise Highway, Freeport, New York. Have a great day and stay safe.